In today's rapidly changing world, the modern workplace is evolving. You need a solution that can meet all of your work-from-home needs and adapt to the ever-changing workplace environment. NuWave is a cloud communication and award-winning Teams-hosted direct routing solution. Our geo-redundant carrier-grade network seamlessly supports all of your Microsoft Teams PSTN and cloud calling needs. Modernize the way you do business and enable your workforce with fully integrated Microsoft Teams voice solutions from NuWave Communications. With NuWave's Teams voice solutions, you can work from anywhere and on any device with absolute confidence knowing that it has been built with enterprise-level security. NuWave's Microsoft Teams voice solution is perfect for schools wanting to teach online courses by using Microsoft's digital whiteboard, innovative online teaching tools, screen sharing, class recordings, and more. NuWave's solution enhances the home office, allowing you to share your files, update tasks, chat with team members, schedule or make calls, and video conference in for your Teams meetings. Best of all, NuWave's Teams-hosted direct routing calling plans require no on-premises SBCs. And with their iPilot platform, the world's first fully automated provisioning portal for Microsoft Teams direct routing customers, your service can easily be enabled in mere hours, not weeks or months. Schedule a demo today and get a free consultation to go over your specific needs.